The following preview has not...
Gaga!
Probably search something else. Listen to Justin Bieber music or some shit. Third, background music naman. Ay, puta, huwag naman yan. Papatayin mo ako. Mas malala pa yan sa topic ko eh. Yan, that's it. That's good. That's good. Moving on mga dirts. Ako nga pala si Allen and it's time for some tough love. I am currently suffering rare and assorted diseases, malas sa love life, and fear of being anally raped. All because I'm guilty of not forwarding 1 million fucking chain messages na sinend sa akin ng mga taong naniniwala na kapag sinend ko din yan, isang batang tinubuan ng puwet sa noo, makakaipon ng sapat na donasyon para maka-afford ng puwet removal treatment. Bago pa man siya i-exhibit ng mga magulang niya sa pinakamalapit na peryahan. I mean, how stupid can we be? Do you honestly believe na bibigyan tayo ni Bill Gates ng tig-1,000 dolyar by merely sending his emails? So basically mga dirts, this entry is a big fuck you sa lahat ng mga dimwits na mahilig mag-send ng chain messages. You see, everyone has the right to be stupid, but unfortunately, some people abuse the privilege. So if you're going to forward something, pag-isipan mo muna ng mabuti kung ano nga ba ang kino-contribute mo sa lipunan. Chances are, it's your own unpopularity. So ano nga ba ang tatlong types ng chain messages? Number 1 yung follow the instructions type.
Close your eyes. Insert your left thumb in your anus. Make a wish. Now suck your left thumb. If you don't send this to 525 people in the next 5 seconds, you will be raped by a butt-naked clown and thrown off a cliff into a pile of cow shit. It's true. Because this letter isn't like all those fake ones. This one is true. Really.
Right.
Number 2 yung Dear Generous Ones type. Basically, this type is toying with the fact that we, by nature, are good Samaritans.
Hello, and thank you for reading this letter. You see, there is a starving little fag in Kokobunji Island who has no arms, no legs, and no goats. This fagot can still be saved, because for every time you pass this on, $1 will be donated from him from Tortanini Fund. Oh, and remember, we have absolutely no way of counting the emails sent, and this is a complete load of bullshit, of course. So, go on, reach out, send to 7 people in the next 7 seconds, and remember, if you accidentally send this to 6 or 8 people, you will die instantly. Thanks again.
Right.
At number 3, yung scary movie type na it could really pass up as a good horror movie.
Hi there. This chain letter has been in existence since 1897.
This is absolutely incredible because there was no email during that time. Probably not as many sad retards with nothing better to do.
So, this is how it works. Pass this on to 15,067 people in the next 30 minutes, or something horrible will happen to you like...
Bizarre horror story number 1.
Procorpio Colasso was walking home from school on Saturday. He had recently received his letter and ignored it. He then tripped in a crack in the sidewalk, fell into the sewer, was crushed down by a drain pipe in a flood of shit, and went flying out over a waterfall. This could happen to you.
Bizarre horror story number 2.
Raping ako. A 13-year-old boy got a chain letter in his mail and ignored it. Later that day, he was hit by a car, and so was his boyfriend. They both died.
And went to hell and were cursed to eat dicks every day.
For eternity. This could happen to you too. Remember, you could end up just like Ray and his boyfriend. Just send this letter to all of your loser friends, and everything will be okay.
So nerds, what's the point? If you get some message that's threatening you to leave you luckless or sexless for the rest of your life, burahin mo. If it's funny, then sige, pass it on. But please, don't try to piss others off by making them feel guilty about some headless girl living in Cebu na umaasa sa 3 pesos per forward para sa matatanggap niyang medical assistance. So that's all for now, nerds. Don't forget to subscribe and share this to 500 of your friends. Kung hindi, tutubuan ka ng pet sa loob.
Ha 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 ha!